Hello Neve's fam, this is Neve from Neve's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to do a haul video, and I did made an order online on shopmissa.com. I don't know how you say it, shopmissa.com, shopmissa.com, but this website is a dollar website in the sense everything is $1. There are few things like when you buy in like brushes, for example, single brushes if you buy will be $1, but like if you buy in a set, definitely it will be more. And without wasting any more time, I will put some more information in the description box about the website. But now let's start. So first thing which I see is this, and this is Wonder Blender Mini, and I am already using one of their Wonder Blender, and it's really good. So I just got the small black one. I'm not taking out stuff, I'm not swatching, I'm just showing you the items what I got, and if you want me to use and show you how they perform, I can do a video. Just comment below. So this is like a black Wonder Blender Mini, and also the prices, if you don't see a price, it means a $1 because it's mainly a $1 website. But if anything is more than $1, I will definitely put somewhere in the video, so don't worry about that. So the next thing which I see is this. This is the basically makeup cleansing wipes. It says makeup remover cleansing wipes, and it with rose water. So very in small letters it's written rose water. And I got this, like it's a small package. I just keep it here around my makeup so that I don't have to, get up and go to my bathroom and get another one. So I have one for near my makeup. So the next thing, they packed all this together. So I'm just going to open quickly and show you one by one. I ordered 2 eyeliners because, like you have seen in a lot of my videos, I've been using Kat Von D, tattoo liner. So I wanted to try and see how $1 eyeliner performs. So the first one is Say Starry Liquid Liner, no retouch needed. So this is how it is. And I can put in one of the videos and show you how it is. And the second one is eyeliner waterproof, fine eyeliner waterproof, and this is how it looks. Nice pink and long handle. So the next thing which I see over here is again HOA Studio. I think HOA is their own makeup brand. So it says HOA Studio Perfect, and this is BB cream, and the color, it says skin perfecting, color correcting, and let me see if they've given the color. Yeah, the color is tan. So they have only few shades, so I thought this is the close match. So this is BB cream, and again if you want me to use this, I can do a separate video. The next one is HOA Studio again, and it's a lip oil, and it just says nourishing lip oil. The next one is Chloe Beauty Deep Cleansing 24 Karat Gold with Collagen Peel Off Mask. So I don't remember ordering this. So this is how. So I got another mask, 3 masks I think. Yeah, I got 3 masks. So this one is Gold Essence Mask, and it's lunes deep into the skin. Face Mask Essence Sheet. So this is basically a sheet mask, and I have not been using sheet mask, so I really want to try. And the gold thing, I don't know, somehow it suits me. And the next one says spa treatment, global beauty care. It says global beauty care, again gold spa treatment mask. It says offers intense hydration, soothing 15-minute facial therapy, helps with reducing fine lines and wrinkles. And again, if you want me to use any of these in the video, I can definitely do that. And this one is again Lunes, I think they pronounce like that, and it's an avocado essence mask. And again, this is sheet mask, and avocado is really good for the skin. So I ordered one lip product just to try and see how it is, and this is a Wonder Matte liquid lipstick, and the color is Fab, I think. Yeah, the color is 2014. It says 2014 Fab, and it's like a pinkish wine kind of a color. Definitely whenever I put it on my lips in any of the videos, I will definitely let you know. The next thing which I see over here is the AOA Studio Velour. It says Velour, however you pronounce it, eyeshadow, and the color is 249 Vogue. So this is how the color is. And this is another same eyeshadow in a different color, and the color is 1311 Baby. And this is like a pinkish gold kind of a color. And another one, I got this, and this is, okay, let me tell you, HOA Studio Dewy Creamy Highlighter. So this is a very small highlighter, and the color is 235 Silk. I don't know, in the pan it's looking pretty dark, but I will see how the color is when I take it out. And then I ordered some like you can see, eyelashes. So these two and this, let me show you one by one. These two I think are more than $1. Definitely the price will be in the video, somewhere in the video screen. Actually, like in person they are looking really big. I don't know if I can put this on because it's too big for me. Let's see, I can just play with it, not wear it and go outside. It says HOA Studio Premium Lashes and Natural Plus Luxurious. So that's what it says. And they're really big, guys. I don't know, I cannot definitely carry these. Somebody who is, you know, bold enough to try or have bigger eyes can definitely try this. And the second one is this. They didn't look this big, you know, online when I ordered. So this one here again is HOA Studio 6-pack. So because it's a 6-pack, it's definitely more than $1. It comes like this, and like I said in one of my videos, beginning of this month or ending of last month, that I'm starting to wear more lashes, and I had, you know, finished my lashes. So that's why you have not seen in last couple of videos I'm not wearing any lashes, but definitely I'm gonna start wearing more lashes so that, you know, I get into the practice of wearing it. This one is 1499 Alexis. So this one is Alexis, and this one here is again 6-pack at AOA Studio, and this one is Scarlet. So guys, this is it for today's haul video, and I hope you like this video, and if you did, please comment below and let me know, and please subscribe, guys. I'm really working hard, but I don't see the results, you know, like the way I should see, the way I'm like working hard for my channel. So please subscribe, guys. It really means a lot to me, and please follow me on all my social media. The links are down below, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know when I uploaded a video, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.